I'm Francesca Scarbo and I'm a nutrition coach, and I'm here today to show you how to make a low-fat and really healthy egg muffin dish. It takes no time to prepare, and we are going to make it with a little something spicy and add a little bit of health benefit to it as well. So right here, I've got my tray that we are going to use for the eggs, and we are going to add a little bit of olive oil to our little tissue here. And the basic thing for this and what makes this so easy is that who wants to spray olive oil all over your countertops? I do not, because it's a mess to clean up. So we're gonna put it right on here, and we're just gonna like dab all of the insides of our egg muffin tins so that they don't stick and they don't fall apart and they don't have eggs everywhere. So that's what we're gonna start with. Right here, I've got my bowl filled with eggs. I'm gonna whisk right here. I have 3 eggs. I'm actually gonna add a couple more so that you can have it throughout the week. Keep this in your fridge. It's so great in the mornings if you're running late and you just don't know what to make, but you know you have to like get some nutrients in, you gotta get your protein in. So this is great as an on-the-go meal too. It's also great for when you come home and you need something that you can just throw on top of a salad, or for dinner if you wanna add it with some potatoes or with some rice. I'm also gonna add a little bit of some of my favorite things to this to really help with some gut health, and that's some turmeric, a great anti-inflammatory spice. This has no flavor, it just has the health benefits that will really keep your inflammation levels down. So I put a little bit in that. Then I love to buy these great spices that have everything in it. This has garlic, onion, it's got a little bit of parsley, a little bit of oregano, and this is just something you can add just to make it a little bit more flavorful for your muffins as well. Then we're gonna whisk all that together. Then I like to saute up a little bit of vegetables because, again, why not add a little more pizzazz to our protein muffins by adding some fiber? So I saute up, usually in advance, a bunch of my favorite vegetables. Here we have some zucchini, we have some mushrooms, we have some broccoli, all great stuff. Pick whichever vegetables you like, and then start by putting them in the bottom of your muffin tins. You can literally put anything you want in them. If you wanted to make the eggs a little bit creamier, you can actually just add a little bit of almond milk or a little bit of your favorite dairy product. So I'm just gingerly pouring all of the egg over the vegetables just to coat it. You want to make sure it gets to the top. These are like my absolute favorite things. I love to do breakfast food for dinner because it's just so easy, and I just feel like I'm giving my body something like really nutritious and delicious. So now we're gonna take this and we're gonna walk it over to your oven. So I have my oven preheated at 350. So we're gonna stick these in here for about 15 minutes. These take no time to make. You're just gonna wanna watch them because they do tend to puff up pretty quickly. So I'm just gonna add that in here. Just gonna let it go. And then once you're done, you're gonna have these absolutely gorgeous, how cute are these? Super easy, bite size, grab and go, complete meal right here. You have over 30 grams of protein sitting right in this dish, filled with anti-inflammatory properties, filled with nutrients, super delicious, less than 10 minutes to prepare, and you've got meals for the week. So get started, get cooking, and enjoy.